Here's how you can turn on inverted colors, or if you accidentally turned it on and you want to turn it off on your Galaxy Watch 7 or the 7 Ultra, here's where you can go to disable it or enable it. When you're ready to do this, use the quick access, then go ahead and tap on the settings icon right here, that one right there. Now, once you do that, you'll be taken to this section here, and you want to go down to where it says accessibility. So keep going down, 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 right there. And you'll see this here. You'll see these different accessibility options, and you want to go to where it says vision enhancements. As you're here now, you'll see these different set of options, and color correction is right above it, and you'll see color inversion. So when you turn this off, you'll get these different colors here. So you'll see now when you turn it off, you'll get back to your regular colors. But if you want to, you'll just go back here, here, then turn it back on, and that'll give you back your inverted colors if that's what you wanted. So like and sub.